In addition to its racing success, the CRF250R has gained a well-deserved reputation for its exceptional handling, excellent ergonomics, strong acceleration and rock-solid durability. From local racers lining up for the first time to those chasing the top step of the Supercross podium, the CRF250R possesses the ingredients necessary for success on the track. The MSRP is $8,299. 2024 CRF250R features engineering, 9-plate clutch assembly. Say goodbye to clutch fade. The bike uses a 9-plate design to improve durability and hookup. That means less slip at peak horsepower, better torque transmission through the clutch pack and greater durability. The CRF250R 79.0mm bore and short 50.9mm stroke let our engineers create a high-revving engine with plenty of room for large valves. The CRF250R uses a double overhead cam DOHC engine layout with a unique finger follower rocker design. The DOHC cylinder head design lets our engineers straighten out the CRF250R intake and exhaust tracts. Throttle body, with a 44mm Venturi design to speed up airflow. Showa spring fork. The 49mm Showa fork features a conventional spring design that helps increase the CRF250R front suspension precision. Rear suspension. Our Pro-Link design lets us give the 2024 CRF250R 12.3 inches of suspension travel. Titanium fuel tank. Every gram counts on a bike in the 250 class, which is why the 2024 CRF250R has a titanium fuel tank. Short swing arm. The CRF250R's short swing arm helps make it light, and also helps give the bike better rear wheel traction. Smooth styling. Blending the CRF250R's body panels does more than just make the bike look smooth, fast, and stylish. It also helps you move around on the bike while riding. Nothing wrong with smooth, fast, and stylish, though.